Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, today I am going to explain two important problems that most of the people face. What are those two important problems? First one is why we have droppage of views, why we have droppage of watch time. Dear viewers, what are those factors that causes the droppage of views and watch time? Dear viewers, I am going to explain those important factors that causes these problems. So let us start this video. Dear viewers, there are three important factors. On the basis of these three important factors, YouTube algorithm count your views. On the basis of these three important factors, YouTube algorithm count your watch time. And the interesting thing is this, on the basis of these three important factors, YouTube algorithm drop your views and watch time. So dear viewers, what are those three important factors? Factor number one is physical address. Factor number two is IP address. And the factor number three is your profile, I mean Gmail account on which your channel is running. Dear viewer, the factor number one, physical address is unique and constant. This address cannot be changed. This is your physical address and manufacturer assign this address to your device at the time of manufacturing. This address cannot be changed. So YouTube algorithm capture this address and store its buffer. YouTube algorithm know that your channel is running on this physical address because he know that this address cannot be changed. Other two factor, IP address and profile. Dear viewers, it depends on us. We can change profile, we can change IP address, and on the basis of this IP address and profile, we can obtain multiple views and multiple watch time from the same video. Dear viewers, so how we can do this? So dear viewers, if we analyze the other two factors, IP address and profile, dear viewers, if we obtain view and watch time by changing the IP address, at that time YouTube algorithm will show the views and watch time. But after few days, when YouTube algorithm will check that this watch time and view has been obtained at the same physical address and by same profile, by same user, at that time it will detect, it will drop your views and watch time. And same procedure may be followed in profile. If we obtain the watch time and views by changing the profile and IP address remains same, YouTube algorithm will give you watch time and views at that time. But after few days, it will observe that this multiple user, multiple account has watched the video on the same physical address. So it will detect or drop your watch time and views. So dear viewers, we can avoid this problem by two methods. We have two solutions for this problem. Dear viewer, if we analyze the internet net cafe environment, in that environment, physical address and IP address of a device of a personal computer remains same. Multiple user come and watch your video. At that time YouTube algorithm count watch time, at that time YouTube algorithm count views. Why this happen? Just because there is gap between each coming user, just because there is interval between each coming user. So this concept can be implemented if we are viewing video from multiple profile. So there must be interval, so there must be gap between each profile. And the second solution is this: if we are changing the IP address of internet, at that time we must also change the profile, at that time we must also change the Gmail account. If we change the profile, at that time also IP address must be changed. So at this stage YouTube algorithm will assign you pure watch time. At this stage YouTube algorithm will assign you pure views. These views and watch time will not be dropped. So dear viewer, this is all about these two problem, why the droppage of views and why there is droppage of watch time. Dear viewers, how was this video? Please give me feedback. See you with the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.